Hi there, this is a video tutorial on how to use my Airbnb subscription tracker. So this sheet is fully customizable and here you go. So first of all, you have on the left, this is a pie chart showing the breakdown of how you have spent your subscriptions. So here it shows that 19% of it goes towards food, 25% goes towards shopping, 6% goes towards music, 30% TV, and 18% miscellaneous. The next pie chart shows the difference in how your subscriptions are separated. So you've got 20% of your subscriptions going annually, 20% weekly, and 60% of it monthly. Now, of course, as you start typing details on this sheet, this pie chart will change for you. The next part is your yearly spend. This is added up across everything. So weekly, monthly, and annually. Your weekly is going to be multiplied by the 52 weeks. Your monthly is going to be total is multiplied by 12, and then your annual is added in. So all of that yearly spend is added total, and that's how much you're spending annually on your subscriptions. This monthly total is added up, all of your monthly subscriptions are added up together. Your weekly subscriptions are added up together, and then your annual ones are all added up together with your yearly. This shows just today's date, and then let's do a sample here. So say that we have a subscription, and then we've got a website. Now, these are all clickable, so you can click in any of these and it can take you straight to the website. You can choose a category with a drop-down box, and then how often if you decide to pay annually, monthly, or weekly, and then say it's $29.99. And then of course this changes your pie chart, and then your payment date, the last date that you paid, and then your next payment date would be the following month. You can put any notes here, you can put the password, any notes that you can put here. So that is the simple way of how to use my subscription tracker. Please, if you want to purchase this spreadsheet, the link to buy this spreadsheet is in the description notes. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks, guys.